I have been building faceless short channels for years where I have made thousands of dollars every month from them, but I've never seen the easiest way to scale up like this before. YouTube's algorithm is going to be actively pushing football content during the FIFA World Cup tournament because they have a commercial deal with FIFA and it is in their direct financial interest to make this tournament as massive as possible on their platform. And that is one of the reasons why I'm making this video today. When the algorithm is being paid to push a specific type of content and most creators don't know about this update yet, that is exactly where the money hides. That is the hidden update. Over $10 billion in advertising investment is about to pour into a 6-week period, and for the first time ever, there are going to be a lot of American audience on YouTube during the World Cup tournament watching football content, and these are the highest paying audience on the entire platform. I have been building faceless short channels for years where I have made thousands of dollars every month from them, but I've never seen the easiest way to scale up like this before. So let me show you exactly what I'm doing about it. Why 2026 is different. So first of all, why is 2026 special? Because this is not just a regular niche idea conversation. There are 3 specific things that are happening at the same time that have never happened before. Number 1, this is the first World Cup tournament where YouTube Short is fully ready, because in 2018, YouTube Short did not even exist. Even in 2022 World Cup, where it exists, it was just launched and not fully monetized yet. But right now, in 2026, the money sharing is live, the algorithm is working at full power, and creators have every tools they need. This is the first tournament where the platform is actually ready to pay you properly. And the second reason is this: YouTube signed an official deal with FIFA, making YouTube the preferred platform for the 2026 World Cup. I want to be very clear about what this means in real life, because most people will hear this and move on. This is confirmed directly from YouTube official blog and FIFA own press release from March 2026. What it means is this: YouTube algorithm is being set up to push football content during the tournament. You see, FIFA is opening its own full digital library for creators to use legally. So classic matches, famous goal, behind the scene moments, decades of footage, all of it are going to be available for you to build content with. And for the first time in history, media partners can now live stream the first 10 minutes of every single match on their own YouTube channel. This is real, this is confirmed, and most creators are not paying attention to it yet. Number 3, this is the one that almost everyone is missing right now: the location of the tournament, like where the tournament is being held. This World Cup is happening in the United States, Canada, and Mexico, and that matters a lot, more than almost anything else, when it comes to how much you can make on your content. Here is why: if your viewers are watching your content from North America, YouTube pays you more than viewers from almost anywhere else in the world. The data is very clear on this one. Any creator that is targeting US viewers, they will earn between $8 and $20 for every 1,000 views. So the same creator that are making the same content but reaching viewers in lower paying countries, they will earn between 50 cents and $1.50 per 1,000 views. Can you see the difference? They are creating same content, they are putting in same effort, but other creators are making 10 times more money just because of where the viewers are coming from. Now, here is what makes 2026 so unique. In the United States, football is not the main sport. Most Americans do not follow it at all. But when the World Cup is physically happening in their country, everything changes overnight. Tens of millions of casual Americans who have never watched a single match are suddenly curious, suddenly interested, suddenly going to YouTube and searching for football content. And remember, these people are English speaking, not American, and they are the high paying clients during the biggest advertiser spending period of the year. That specific combination has never existed in the football niche before, not once. This is the first time ever. Now, let me show you the actual money numbers, because this is where it gets very serious. WARC Media, one of the most trusted advertising research companies in the whole world, has officially confirmed that the 2026 FIFA World Cup will bring $10.5 billion in advertising revenue into the market. $10.5 billion, all concentrated into 6 weeks. And this is the business part of it. When that much money enters a platform in a short time, the CPM will go up. That means every creator making football content during that period of time, they will earn more money per view than they normally make. Now, let me show you what that actually means for a creator. Normal football shots on a regular day, they will earn roughly 3 to 8 cents per 1,000 views. And a standard YouTube content averages around $20 to $25 CPM outside of big events. So during the World Cup, brands are paying $60 to $120 for the same 1,000 views. That is not a small difference. That is a completely different level. And here is why brands are choosing YouTube over TV. A 30-second TV advert during a big match will cost around hundreds of thousands of dollars, whereas they won't be able to track their data, no targeting, and no way to know if the right person even see the advert or not. But YouTube gives them the exact audience they want, real-time results, and it costs lesser than what the TV charges them. So mathematically, it means any brands that cannot afford the expensive live match TV slot are going to move their money into YouTube creator content instead. Content like football shots, commentary video, reaction content, and that is exactly where that money comes to you. For you to benefit from all of this, the question is this: so how do you actually go about it? Because football is a big topic. Making random football videos will not work. You need to pick one specific angle and build around it. Here are the 5 angles that are working right now. Number 1, we have the player stories. This is the most reliable format in any sports niche. Every one of the 48 countries in this tournament has a player with story most people have never heard before. 48 countries means almost endless content to work with, and this video will still keep earning even after the tournament is over. And number 2 is commentary on famous moments. It is when you take a well-known moment, a big upset, a famous goal, or a controversy, and you comment over it with your own perspective on it. With the FIFA archive now legally open to creators, there is more footage available to work with than ever before in history. Third one is country and team story. This one works really well because of the 48 team expansion. A video about a smaller country's World Cup journey, their best moment, or their worst heartbreak has millions of people in their country who are desperate to watch it. If a country qualifies for the first time, their fans will find your video. Then the fourth one is how football actually works. This is being massively underestimated for 2026. Millions of Americans are watching this tournament for the first time and they don't understand how the game works. So any video that explains formations, the offside rule, what makes a good goalkeeper, and football explainer generally, that content has an American audience in 2026 that it has never had before. And the fifth one is ranking and debate content. This one gets comments naturally, easy to make consistently, and it's work in any football topic you can think of. Listing, the rule is very simple. Pick one out of this option, not all the 5, just one. Get good at it. Build your whole channel around it. When someone finds one of your videos, they should immediately understand what your channel is about and they will want to see more. Now, listen carefully. This part is what actually decides whether you make money from this or not. The tournament runs from June to July 2026, 6 weeks, and the channel that make the most money during those 6 weeks are already set up, already monetized, and already have momentum before the first match even starts. Here is the reality. YouTube's algorithm needs time to understand your channel. It needs to figure out what you make, who watches it, and how to push it to new people. If you start a football channel on the day the tournament begins, you are spending the whole 6 weeks trying to warm up the algorithm, while other channels that started earlier are already being pushed to millions of viewers. The move is to start right now. Post 1 or 2 shots every single day and be consistent. Build your content plan for the full 6 weeks of the tournament before it even starts at all. Know exactly what you are posting every day and when exactly you are posting them. While the channels that lose during this big event are always the ones that are trying to think of ideas while the event is already happening. And if you do not get monetized before the tournament ends, the channel you built during this World Cup does not stop earning after 6 weeks. Football never goes away. Premier League, the Champions League, transfer season, the next big tournament. That is why the audience you build during this World Cup will come back every single time something big happens in football for the rest of their life. A channel with 50,000 subscribers built during this tournament is worth far more than whatever ad money it will make in these 6 weeks. This is like building an eternal workflow to earn you money for life. And on top of YouTube ad revenue, sports betting partnership where it is legal in your country, football equipment, streaming service deal, fantasy sports apps, there are many ways to earn from a real football audience beyond just YouTube AdSense. So let me bring it all together quickly. $10.5 billion in ad revenue. The first World Cup where short is fully ready. An official YouTube FIFA deal that sets algorithm to push football content. And for the first time ever, a huge North American audience engaged with football. The highest paying audience will be on the platform. The window is real. It is 6 weeks long, and the next World Cup after this one is 2030. Start now. Pick one angle. Post every single day. If you want to see exactly how to set up your channel, what tools to use, the full content plan I'm using personally, that is going to be in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel so that you don't get to miss it, and drop it in the comment section below if you want me to create that in my next video. It will ginger me to create it quickly. So give this video a thumbs up. I remain your best mentor, Tberry AI. Let's grow together.